Here I am in Thailand, Phuket on Coorong Beach.
If you're wondering what Coorong Beach in Phuket is like, you're in the right place. In this video, you can see the beach on mornings and afternoons, different times at different places, over a couple of days.
My first impressions, this is paradise. It's warm and humid, which I love. I have been waiting all year to get warmed up like this, just warm to the bone. Exactly what I needed. I love the humidity and I love the heat, especially after coming from Melbourne.
Coorong Beach is in Phuket on the west coast, just south of Patong. The beach is very long, at 4 kilometres long. Let's go to the beach. There is a road between the beach and the shops, restaurants and hotels.
And I'm in heaven, it's paradise. It's very chilled here, very chilled and relaxed. There's a lot of people around, but no one's in a hurry. Exactly what I need right now.
It's 8 a.m. Hi, I'm Linda. I'm here to help you plan your travel and know what to expect. Know before you go. It's 8 a.m. and it's very quiet on the beach. The beach chairs are empty at this time. There are drink stands along the beach. You can get a massage at the beach. There are a few people out for morning walks and morning swims.
Another beautiful morning on the beach. Great way to start the day on the beach for a swim.
This was my first time here and it definitely won't be the last. I loved it here. I chose Coorong Beach based on reading reviews. I wanted somewhere quiet and I did not want to stay in Patong where it's very busy. I stayed at Coorong Beach for 6 nights. I'm a solo traveller and I felt very safe here day and night.
Coorong Beach is a really long beach. There's multiple sections of busyness of restaurants and shopping and areas where you can hire beach seats and water sports. Really long beach. Lots to explore. Beaches here are so clean. Sand, the water, perfectly clean, absolutely pristine. Just been for my morning swim. The water is perfect temperature. It is perfectly clean. A couple of odd small waves coming through. It is absolutely perfect. The water's clean, the bottom's clean, so there's no obstacles or rocks tripping over. It's just really fine sand here. water is perfect temperature, not too cold. Just perfectly cool, refreshing. None of that freezing shock factor and it's alright once you're in. It's perfect straight away. Well, after my morning walk and morning swim, it's time to go find some coffee.
Check out this video for where I stayed, right across the road from the beach. The Ander Cafe and Bar was convenient right across the road from the beach for my morning coffee after my morning walks and swims. It doesn't open until 9 AM and it has great coffee and really friendly staff.
Perfect coffee in the perfect location.
By 10 AM, the beaches are getting a bit busier. There's a few more people around compared to 8 AM. Still a lot of empty seats. If you want somewhere quiet, peaceful, relaxing and very clean, then this is the beach for you. You can get a massage at the beach. You will only see 1 or 2 boats and watercraft on this beach. It's very quiet without the motors. By 11 AM, the beaches are getting busier. However, even with a lot of people on the beach, it's quiet and peaceful.
And even though these beaches are packed full of people, everyone's just chilled, relaxed, calm, quiet. It's just peaceful and chill. It's amazing. There's no music blaring, which I don't need. There's no kids screaming. Oh, well, actually, they're screaming having fun, which is good.
Further up the beach, central to Coorong Beach, is a small park with a waterway. At the end of the waterway is the Golden Dragon statue. "1 PM and it's busier. But there is still plenty of space on the beach and on the sand. It's not full. You can easily find a spot for yourself at any time. The deck chairs are quite busier at this time. You will only see 1 or 2 boats and watercraft on this beach. It's very quiet without the motors. I visited Patong Beach only for a few hours and found it to be extremely noisy and chaotic. Not relaxing, not peaceful at all. At Patong, there were marked swimming areas to keep the swimmers safe from the hundreds of noisy boats and watercraft. There were whistles and yelling and screaming constantly from the activity of both operators. It was not peaceful. It was very difficult to find a spot on the beach to sit. It was very crowded. It's 4 p.m. and the sun's getting a bit lower. There are plenty of people around here, but it's still very quiet and relaxing on this beach. If you're looking for quiet and peaceful and clean, then Coron Beach is perfect for that. The only disadvantage to Coron Beach is that the restaurants and bars are on the other side of the road. However, I think that helps to keep this beach so quiet, relaxing and clean. So it's not an issue. It's worth it.